Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on 2000 guys and 16 F-150. You will have two different fuse boxes, but we're working just one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood in the engine bay fuse box, guys, right behind that car battery. If you pay attention, you're going to have that cover for the fuse box. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Before we continue, guys, let me explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays for motor companies, specific fuses and relays that could be really hard to find if you blow a fuse in a small town in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price. Keep some spares for peace of mind so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. So if you come in that row right here, guys, and you start from the very bottom, you count fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. That 10 amp fuse will be for the reverse lights, backup lights that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.